I love traceroute. Traceroute gives me the ability to follow the path. Now we can follow the path with ping by pinging one IP address on an interface and then pinging the next IP address and then the next IP address on the path and then the next and so on and so forth. We can follow the path that way. But traceroute lets you follow the path by just typing in the command followed by the IP address, and you can see the path that is being taken. If we go out to our live environment, let's do a traceroute. Traceroute 192.0.2.1. We'll let that cook on DSW1 while we go to PC1 and issue the traceRT command. So traceRT 192.0.2.1. And traceroute's a little slower because what traceroute is doing is it is sending out probes. And it sends out 3 probes, and it's going to analyze the round trip time for each of the probes. So it's going to send out these 3 probes to the very first hop. So in this case, the first hop router, the default gateway for the PC in this case, would be this particular address. For a router, it's the next hop, the next router along the path to reach that particular destination network. And you can see the first probe that was sent to 28 milliseconds, then 36, and then 40, and so on and so forth. Your goal, basically, with traceroute is to find out if the trace is getting all the way, the packet's getting all the way to that particular destination. So if we go back to our live environment, we can see in this case the trace is working on PC1. Let's analyze DSW1. The trace is done. So on DSW1, we can see the path that was taken to reach the internet. DSW1 sent the packet to R1, then it was sent to R3, and then R3 sent the packet out to ISP-B. So it's a way that you can verify whether the traffic has taken the appropriate path in the network, and if it's not, then you can find out why through your other troubleshooting methods. We go back to our PC. We can see on the PC's packet was sent to DSW1, so this is the default gateway for PC1, and then it went to R1, it went to R3, and then R3 went to ISP-B out to the internet.